What's up, everybody? My name is Messina and welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a thrift haul. We're also going to go over the details of the 5K giveaway, and then I have a unboxing from a brand called Wishbiz. They sent me over a bag and we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to take notes. We're going to see if we like it or not. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the only thing you need to do to enter into the giveaway is to comment on this video to let me know what was your favorite thrift find of this haul, and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. That's easy. Easy. Okay? Subscribe to my channel and comment on this video with your favorite find of this haul. So wishbiz.ru, they reached out, asked me if they could send me a bag. I'm never going to turn down nothing free. Okay? And in exchange, they just wanted me to show it to you guys, and if that's something you're interested in, you can check them out. I will have all of their information in the description box below. But they do sell luxury impressions, okay, luxury inspired bags. And I got the Thrift in, okay. And for me, this is actually a very functional bag. It is leather. And because I run so many errands, I'm out, I'm doing stuff, I do like a larger bag. They have all different kinds of bags, though. All of the luxury impression bags that you could think of. They have hundreds of options to choose from on their website. But I chose this one. They asked me which one that I like. I said this one only because I do work in a corporate setting, so this could be like a work bag for me on the weekends if I need something large enough to carry like all my camera equipment and my wallet and all the stuff that I carry. I carry a lot of stuff, so I like to have a larger bag. So that's why I chose this one. But how chic. And if you're interested in one of these bags, I will have their information listed down below. So we can start with shoes. The first pair that I found are these Steve Madden denim heels, or sandals, I should say. These were $6.99. Very good price, brand new. Somebody done bought them from Nordstrom Rack and then they donated them. I guess they didn't get a chance to wear them. But I will be wearing these. I love the heel. I love anything with comfort. Okay, we like comfort. Now, I do a heel every now and then, but that's only if I'm walking from the door to the car. Door to the car. Next up were these Steve Madden loafers. These were $7.99. I don't believe they were worn either. They look fairly new. Of course, a size 7, child. And so cozy and cute for the winter. Obviously, winter is about to be over fairly soon, but for now, I will be wearing these. This is my dog, or one of them. Anything to keep him quiet, child. So he has a treat, so you might hear him in the background. Apologies. So next up, I got these Sophia Webster rhinestone heels. These were $24.99. I feel like, I don't think they were worn. Look at the heel taps. I don't know. I think they knew. We're going to go with new. Okay, they $24.99. I can walk in them, again, very quickly. You know, can't stand on them too long. You know, there's the heel. But, I mean, they're my size. So, I'm making these work. The giveaway item. So, how nice. It is pretty clean. Don't look like it's been worn, but one time. There's the keychain. But how cute. And I would keep this, but I have several Coach bags. Well, I have like 3. I mean, I'm trying not to have, you know, so much. So I did find this. I thought this would be great. Someone would enjoy this. So this will be the giveaway item. The next thing I found was this blazer, this zebra print blazer. It is in a linen fabric from the brand Rhea. I thought this was so cute. This was actually on my Pinterest board. So when I actually find things that I've saved to my Pinterest board, I get very excited. And I saw this in the store. I was like, oh yeah. Now, is it a size extra small? Yes. Can I button it? No, but that's not the look, okay? That wasn't the look I was going for. I wanted it to be open with like a crop top and some high-waisted jeans. So it'll be open, okay? I normally wear a size 6, size medium, size 6. This is a size extra small. I did try it on. It does fit. It just don't close. Okay, is it uncomfortable? No. Okay? She gonna look good, I promise you. Next up was this lovely, okay, leather jacket. This was $14.99. It's from the brand Lioness. I love this jacket so much. It has the drop shoulder. It's cropped. And it look good on me too. I ain't gonna lie to you. I should do a little try on. But it looks kind of good now. It did have a little odor to it, okay, little scent. So I'll show you what I use on my thrift pieces to kind of get that thrift store smell out of them. In addition to washing or dry cleaning the item, I will also use this Clorox fabric sanitizer. And sometimes I'll hang it outside just to get that, you know, that stank smell. Sometimes the stuff be having a little, you know, little odor. Next up was this little Zara sweater. This was $9. Also high in my opinion. It's just a little Zara sweater. It should be $5. Easy. But I bought it anyway. I did like it. And I like a neutral. Okay, I like a basic. I like a neutral. So next up, these are a pair of fun Steve Madden heels that, again, I will be wearing on vacation. Me and a friend of mine who also went thrifting on this day, we both found these. So pair for her, pair for me. It's a twin situation. Next was this Gap leather skirt. This was $4.99. I liked the color. I like the color. Spring is coming up. Spring around the corner. Okay, so we got to stop buying so much winter stuff. And let's get into some more spring pieces. But I feel like the color will be very pretty. What's that, a chartreuse? Huh? Is that a chartreuse? But yeah, nice skirt. All right, so they played with this one. All right, this is a Shein dress. This was $9.99. I thought that was a bit high for Shein, okay? But it's so pretty, and I will be going on vacation in March to Jamaica, and I thought this would be really cute for that. And, you know, if it's right there in a thrift, I'm saving it, okay? I'm saving it from the environment, okay? It's going to go to the trash dump after the thrift, so I'm saving it. But $9.99, they played hard. I'm going to insert a picture of what it looks like on their website. Very pretty, but lower the price a bit, hun. Next up was this crochet bag. I found this for $6.99. I thought it was a good, cute little, like, you know, piece I could wear on vacation. Also for spring, summer. September, spring, summer. Okay. But very, very pretty. Next up, I got this really cute top from the brand Tyler McGillery. This was $4.99. I thought it was a fun print. Something cute for spring. Maybe some brown pants or maybe some jeans. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. Fun, fun, fun. And the last thing that I found was this cute knit top. It has no name brand on it, but I liked the colors. And again, I thought it was great for, you know, a light sweater for like spring and summer. It's so cute. I could see this with a pair of cargo pants or a pair of camouflage pants. So many ways you could do this one. And yeah, I thought this was a great addition to my collection. This was $3.98. And that is the last piece. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel and to comment down below your favorite item from the haul. I'll be using a program called Comment Picker, and from the comment section, it will be automatically choosing a winner. So that's why I just said comment your favorite item from the thrift haul, just so there's a comment for the comment picker to choose from. And I will be announcing the winner next Friday. Okay, and then I will be doing monthly giveaways from my thrift hauls. I shop everywhere. So I shop at Goodwill, I shop at Neiman Marcus, I shop at Pretty Little Thing, I shop at Rainbow. I shop everywhere. So if you stayed all the way till the end, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.